What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Crypto Guru video. I have a new time-sensitive video for you guys. You guys need to watch it. For all you pre-ICO buyers, this is for you. I'm going to show you guys how to do the swap on Metamask, how you can, or actually do the swap on etherlite.org to transfer your pre-sale tokens over into ETL so you guys can start trading it. There are 6 confirmed exchanges. They're going to be listing ETL. This is big. I'm really excited. I'm really excited with the project. I'm also going to be doing another video for all the people that bought during the ICBO. It's a little bit different process, couple different buttons, but I'll also do a quick little separate video to show you guys the process. If you guys like the video, shoot me more likes, shoot me more comments. I try to respond to everybody. Thank you guys for the support of the channel. We got 130 subs and growing, which is just blowing my mind. But I appreciate you guys, and let's get to the content. And to give you guys the rundown for the people that have the pre-ICO Etherlite and they want to do the swap. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to click over. We're going to click on our Metamask. We want to make sure that we have, we want to make sure that we are on the Ethereum mainnet. If you look down here, it shows I have 20,000 ETL. So this is the first part. Make sure that this is here. Then we're going to click on the etherlite.org. There we go, etherlite.org. It's registered, my thing. So we're going to go over to this button, ETL on ETH Chain conversion. We're going to click it. Now you're going to get this, and this actually shows the amount of Ethereum that is remaining to be transferred as far as the daily quota. So it's like 200 million, I believe. Here it shows the balance. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do 10,000. 10,000. We're going to click transfer. We're going to click continue, and then we're going to go over here. We're going to look at the gas fee. We're going to edit this, and we're going to go to fast. Click save and click confirm. Now what we're going to wait for this to do 8 blockchain confirmations, and it's going to give us a success page when it's done, and then I'll show you where you look to see where your ETL has shown up. So we'll wait for this to see it just confirmed. Transaction 9 confirmed. Transfer complete, and there we go. We got our success. It's been transferred. We click OK. Now what we can do over here is we can check our balance. So we go over here, click Metamask, and it's going to give you guys a warning screen when you flip this over, but it's all right. We want to look at our, see, we have 10,000 over there. We click over to Etherlite Main network to see our coins, and there we go, 10,000 ETL right there. And click it back, and click it back over to Ethereum Main network, and we are good to go. That's the end of the video. Shoot me a like if you like this video. I'll try to keep giving you guys all the latest information as I get it, because it's definitely time sensitive. So have a good day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel